Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to go over one of the fastest way to get a website going, which would be a single page website. It has low maintenance and very few things to upkeep, but still giving them a truly unique shopping experience that they'll love. So let's dive right in. Alright, the first thing we gotta do is set our home page to our desired page. To do that, we're going to go over to the left, settings, reading. We're going to click static page, and then we're going to select our desired page. So that will be, for me, the sample page. Hit save changes. And now if we click this button, which will take us to the home page, it should be to whatever page you selected. Now let's go back to the dashboard. And now to start editing that page, we just need to go over here to pages. Find the page that we selected as front page, and it'll also say front page right there. I'll click on it. To help build this page as quickly and painlessly as possible, we're going to use a whole bunch of pre-made WooCommerce patterns. And to find those, you go up to the top left, click the blue button with the plus, hit patterns, and you see there's a whole bunch of different categories. We're going to go to WooCommerce. These are all the WooCommerce patterns. We're going to use this one as our landing page, and we're going to want to add some kind of background color so it makes this text pop. And to do that, we're going to go over here to the settings, overlay, black, and we can adjust it however we like, and we're going to make that text white so it stops changing colors. Now you can simply change the text to say whatever you like, this paragraph block to whatever you like. You can change the image by just clicking on the background and hit replace. You can upload or use from the media library. And right now I'm going to change the button. Go over here to the styles, background color. I always like blue. Change to white. I also want all the letters to be capitalized, so lettercase, and vertical, all capital. And let's add some border radius. There, looking much better. And you can also edit whatever there. This link will be different as well once we build that section, and we'll get to that. Now let's go ahead and add a few more sections to fill out this page. Again, we're going to hit the plus. Whoop. Let's click down here. Now let's hit the plus. Patterns. WooCommerce. We're going to add this section here. Again, you're going to want to change the picture to whatever you like. Just click on the picture. You can upload or media library. I'm going to go ahead and style the button a little different. Again, add some radius. And then again, you're going to want to change text to whatever you like. Alright, let's go ahead and add another section in. Then we're going to go to this plus, browse all, patterns, WooCommerce. I particularly like this block. Again, you're going to want to change this to whatever content you want. You just click on it and change it. Same thing with the images. Next thing we're going to do is actually add the stuff where people can browse your shop. First, we're going to add a group block. So the plus group. And then we're going to add a all products block into this. And this is how they will be able to stay on your page. Even if they click over, this block will keep them on your single page website. And now we're going to click this select group, and we need to give this an ID. So HTML anchor shop. Just going to copy whatever you put there, and if we put that into this by doing hashtag shop Save. And then we'll do the same thing to this. And let's hit update. And we're going to test this out. And there you go. Let's take them right to the shop. So let's go ahead and start finishing off this page. Now we're going to make it look even better. Click into the all products block. And with the styles that come with our theme, you give them an awesome, unique look. We can add even more sections in. Like a section that says, hey, we got stuff on sale. And we're going to change the URL to our shop link. And I would always make this section full width. And we'll see what other blocks they have, and we can add them in. As you can see, it's very, very quick and easy to add sections in. And there's a whole bunch of pre-made stuff for you to add to quickly build out a single page store. So I encourage you to go and play around and find out how quickly you can actually make a website in a shop page. Now let's preview this page by hitting save and then preview. And if we want to get rid of this title and this line here, just go ahead and up here in the top left, hit edit site. And this is going to actually edit the page template. And we're going to remove this. And we're going to move this. And it's sometimes hard to see that line. Delete. Save. And let's go ahead and go to our block in there. We have a nice stylish website paired with dynamic shopping. It gives you a truly single page shopping experience. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!